Every flower holds a story, and today we are turning a special rose into something timeless. Our client wanted to preserve these petals forever and wear them every day. So we are creating stunning resin earrings. We carefully placed a delicate rose petals in resin, ensuring they stay vibrant and beautiful for a lifetime. With a glossy finish and a touch of elegance, these earrings will not only carry memories but also add charm to daily wear. Stay tuned till the end to see the final masterpieces.